Welcome to the 4th edition of UMEX SimTEX, the only event in the Middle East dedicated to drones, robotics, components, unmanned systems and simulation training systems, held at the Abu Dhabi National Exhibition Center from the 23rd to the 25th of February 2020. Get exclusive access to regional and international networks. Share views and experiences with key players in the field. Position your business in front of key decision makers. Watch live demonstrations. UMEX SimTEX, the future of autonomy.